Hello, my name is Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. This is a virtual walkthrough on a property located at 10988 Sagebrush Ave NE, Northeast Uniontown, Ohio. Zip code is 44685 in the Lake School District. Now this property sits on top of just over an acre with a huge deck, several tiered deck, and an above ground pool, storage barn. Inside it has well over 2,500 square feet. You also have 3 full bathrooms, 4 to 5 bedrooms. It is truly a one-of-a-kind house, and it's at the end of a street. It's quiet, beautiful, has a front porch and a lot of outdoor entertainment space. It's a wonderful home. So let me take you through it, and also it has a 3-car garage. Beside the garage, there's a 100-foot long graveled area, which would be perfect for a little RV parking it on the side. Okay, so let's take a look. Since you can't be with me, let's take a peek through. Okay, so this is the front door. So this is basically a little porch and then out the front door. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a little gander through the house here. Okay, so on the left we have plenty of storage here, nice double closet. This is a 4-level split style home. So let me take you right here so you can see the eat-in kitchen area. Let's get you a look. All right, so the cabinets are white. You have a nice little back bar area here. Stainless steel appliances, and then black gas stovetop. Here's the front again. Okay, so let's take a walk around. So you have a decent sized pantry. So you can see the cabinets. There are laminate countertops through the railing there. That's to the lower level family room. Here's the view out the back. So you can see there's a lot of deck space here. And then the pool's down below, and it's a big lot. And then you got a bird right here trying to say hi. Okay. So this is a huge family room. Oops, bumping into things. Here's another view out this picture window, so you get a sense of the yard. And then you have lots of decking, which we'll try to see from a different perspective. So these are electric fireplaces that put some heat out. There's 3 of them in the house. There's a TV that would go on the wall. Here's like a little area to catch, if you have backpacks or coats to hang for the kids. This is your mudroom with some paint supplies. Look at that. All right, and then a door that goes out to the graveled area I was telling you about. So let's take a look. So when you come in, there's a little area here that you could sit and put your book bags in if you want. So this room straight ahead could be an office or homeschooling. It's a laminate floor. Let's give you another view. So you can see the gravel here. So this is how long the gravel driveway is. Okay. Get back out to the mudroom. Also the 3-car garage, which is nice. This is your laundry hookup. All right. So back to the kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna open this door and we'll take a peek out back for a second. Just so you get a little look. So the deck actually wraps around the house. Here again is the yard. The pool's not opened up, but you get the gist of it. And then here's another sliding door with a lower deck off the family room, which we'll see in a minute. All right, back in the house we go. All right, so as we go back in, you're going to see the front door again. Let me just take you here to the first floor bedroom, which is the master. Okay, let's take a peek at that. All right, so here's a good sized master bedroom. You got a place for a TV, of course, electric fireplace. Try to get a little closer to that for you. Okay. Here's your bedrooms, bath, and a walk-in closet. Let's show you the closet here. So good sized closet. Okay. So that's your first floor master. And while we're at it, let's go up and see the, we'll go upstairs to the 3 bedrooms. All right. Decor, it's amazing gray, white trim. Let's peek in the bathroom. All right, so you got double sinks, jet tub. Okay. You can see it's like a cultured marble or a solid surface material. You can see the pattern. The floors of vinyl. Of course, a linen closet right here. And then you have 3 good-sized rooms. Let me just peek in and let you see. The closet's right here to the back, but you can see. Okay, nice neutral. Okay, we go down the hall to another room. Double closet on the left, cable hookup right there on the wall. You can just see it's pretty simple. All right, seems like there's cable in all these rooms, and then here's the closet back here, a double, and then there's extra storage here. Okay. Natural light coming in. All right, so I'm going to show you the lower level. Quite a bit more living space. Okay, here we go, the family room. Again, another fireplace. They're electric. They do actually put heat out, which is nice. And you have shelves above it so you can store things. There's a TV that mounts on the wall. And this was the other deck that I was showing you from up above. Give you an idea. Okay. Check it out. Big storage barn too. So that's looking towards the kitchen. So you can see. Okay. All right, now through this hallway is another room that could be a bedroom or an office. Got some bookshelves. So here you got a closet and plenty of shelves behind the door. Okay, so let's take a look. Good sized room. All right, let's go down to the full bath and another room. Okay, so down here, this would be like your rec room space. This is just storage. You got plenty of storage here. Electric box, sump pump, things like that. And then this is just like a little game room, rec room area. Back upstairs. And then the bathroom is over here. This is a dehumidifier. And then here's another bathroom area. Okay. Let's get that camera so you can see the sink at least. All right. And then, of course, the shower's right here. Plenty of cubbies. So if you have a bunch of people that have their own space, you got a slot for everybody. And then behind the door over there is the well room area, softener. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm glad you had an opportunity to walk through this beautiful home here in Lake Township. If you'd like further details, you can call me at 330-418-1535 or email me at dominic@dominicfonte.com. Or if you want to see more tours like this or this one in further detail, go to dominicfonte.com. Thanks for tuning in.